Hi guys, it's your girl Berry Faye. Today I'm going to show you ladies how to style your hair in a protective style using a hat. Natural Squad, super easy. So first things first, you're just going to start off with some hair. Obviously my hair is just been in this style all week, so it's definitely been protecting me from heat, from manipulation, from all of that. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with a hairbrush, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush my hair into a low back ponytail. I'm not applying any gel, any product, because this is a protective style, so you don't really need any products because your hair will be covered. So I'm just going to go ahead and start a simple hairband, and I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. Got it? Alright, so next I'm going to take one of my favorite hats. Right now I'm going to be using this green one. This one I got from Kohl's. It's a nice cute little baseball hat, and it's very stylish and super chic. And I'm just going to place the hat on my head. Go ahead and attach the Velcro underneath the ponytail. Making sure not to clip any of my hair so that my little puff is out. Everything is nice and secure. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and take a hair bun that I made using a stocking. Really simple, really soft. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that bun. Okay. Then I'm going to take my brush and just go ahead and fix this up. Alright, so that's that. Now to just put the finishing touches on this, I like to grab my toothbrush and my Eco Styler gel. This step is definitely optional, but I feel like it's necessary to add that extra cuteness to this protective style. So I just take my gel and my toothbrush, and I'm going to slide down these little bit of sideburns right here. You see that? You see that? There you have it, a nice, simple, cute, protective style. It don't cost much. Just get a nice hat, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, rock your hair.